Okay, this is a Model 3 Tesla. This video is for the maintenance of the antifreeze. So these Teslas take G48 pre-diluted antifreeze. That way everything stays nice and cool. I don't know what the deal is with this car. It might have a leak, it might not. But on this reservoir here, if you take this thing off, you'll have a cap here. Take the cap off. Well, you don't need to take the cap off, but unless you're gonna refill it like I am. But down here you'll have, it'll say max, and then it'll say NOM. I'm not sure, but down there it'll say minimum. And mine, for some reason, is below minimum. So I'm gonna fill it to the max, see if it leaks, and then I'm gonna go in and refresh the pump. That way it recirculates. So the story on this Tesla is I had to replace the radiator last summer, and it's possible that maybe after 6 or 8 months that the antifreeze circulated, and you just need to add some or top it off. So this is the stuff that it uses. So I'm gonna add it, and hopefully it does the trick. So let's add it together and see what happens, because here we go. Definitely taking it. I'm not sure where it's going, but seems like it's not really filling up. There we go. Almost to the max. There. That's about max. So as you can tell, minimum was down there. Here's your max. Here's max right there. So we're gonna put this back on. One way to tell that if the system is all secure is when you unscrew it, you'll hear some pressure relief. That's a good sign. If you unscrew it, there's no pressure in there, then that might mean you have a vacuum leak somewhere. So make sure that when you do undo that, you hear like some sort of a pressure. Anyways, when you top it off, what you'll need to do is go inside the car and recalibrate, or not recalibrate, run the pump. There's an internal pump. I want to close now, huh? Okay. All right.